today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google tools to create and modify voices using Canva. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started and ensure you have a smooth experience from beginning to end. First, open your Canva document. You can do this by navigating to the Canva website and logging into your account, where you'll find all your saved designs. Once you've accessed your desired document, the next step is to select the specific section of text that you want to convert into speech. This part is vital because only the selected text will be processed. With your text selected, look for an option called Magic Write. Clicking on Magic Write will reveal another option named Generate AI Voice. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on it to proceed to the voice generation phase. Now you'll be presented with a few different choices to tailor the outcome to your needs. First, input the text that you want to transform into an AI-generated voice. It could be a set of instructions, a piece of dialogue, or any informational text relevant to your project. Next, select the language that you want the voice to be in. This feature is particularly useful if you have an audience that speaks a different language, or if your project requires linguistic variety. Once the language is set, you have another customizable option, choosing between a male or female voice. This choice can help in giving your project the desired tone and can make the audio more relatable to your audience. After making your voice selections, you'll click on Generate AI Voice to complete the process. Now that you have all your options configured, simply click on the Generate button and Canva will do the rest for you. It may take a moment, depending on the length and complexity of the text, but you'll soon have a polished audio file ready to be inserted into your project or used as needed. And that's it. You've now successfully turned text into a synthetic voice using Canva, enhancing your content and making it more versatile. Whether for presentations, video projects, or accessibility features, this tool provides you with a convenient way to incorporate voice into various formats. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to revisit this tutorial if you need a refresher, and happy creating!